Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jeff in Tech in English. In today's episode, we shall see a quick guide of Samsung Galaxy S23 series phones. It basically comes in three variants: the S23, the S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra. Now let us see the similarities between all of these phones. All the three phones in S23 series, they come with Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. They have Android 13 based Samsung's One UI 5.1. All the phones have IP68 protection, 12MP selfie camera, and they come with the same color variants. Now let us see about the colors. It comes in four variants: number 1 lavender, number 2 phantom black, number 3 green, and number 4 green. Now let us see about Samsung Galaxy S23 phone. The Samsung Galaxy S23 phone has a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display. Resolution is Full HD Plus 1080 by 2340 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, and it has HDR10 Plus support. Processor, as I mentioned before, is Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. Rear has a triple camera setup: 50MP primary, 12MP ultra wide, and 10MP telephoto. 12MP selfie camera, 3900 mAh battery, and 25-watt fast charging. Now the S23 Plus phone. Now the S23 Plus has a bigger display with 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display. Resolution is Full HD Plus with 1080 by 2340 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support. Processor is Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. The rear has a triple camera setup with 50MP primary, 12MP ultra wide, and 10MP telephoto. 12MP selfie camera, 4700 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Next, we shall see the mother of all phones, the S23 Ultra. Now the S23 Ultra has the biggest display of all, having 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support. Processor is Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. Now the difference here with the other phones is the rear has a quad camera setup, 200MP primary camera, 50MP ultra wide, and two telephoto cameras with 10MP, number one having 10 times optical zoom and the second one having 3x optical zoom. Next we have a 12MP selfie camera and 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Ultra has S Pen support as well. Finally, we shall see the pricing of these phones in India. The Galaxy S23 with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM comes at a price of 74,999, 8GB plus 250GB variant 79,999, the S23 Plus 8 plus 250GB variant at 94,999, 8 plus 512GB variant is priced at 1,04,999, and finally the S23 Ultra 12 plus 250GB variant for 1,24,999, 12 plus 512GB variant for 1,34,999, and finally the whooping 12 plus 1TB variant for 1,44,999. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and bye.